Hello children. Today we are starting with the chapter cell cycle and cell division. Before discussing the types of cell division, that is mitosis and meiosis, let us see some basic concepts related to the cell division. We know that a cell has three basic parts: cell membrane. In the center there is present a nucleus and cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm there are present various cell organelles which have different shapes and which perform different functions for the cell and ultimately for the body. For cell division we are mainly considered with nucleus. Inside the nucleus there is present a network of coiled thread-like structures. This network is called chromatin network. If we uncoil these threads, each thread-like structure is called chromosome. A chromosome has two basic parts. In the center there is present centromere, and on centromere arms are located. Arms are also called chromatids. On chromatids there are located genes, and these genes, they are made up of a special biochemical substance called DNA, that is deoxyribose nucleic acid. Chromosomes in any individual, they exist in pairs. They always exist in pairs. If we say that there are 46 chromosomes in human beings, or we can say there are 46 means we have 23 pairs of chromosomes. Two chromosomes in a pair, they are identical in all the respects. All the respects means this position of centromere. It can be like this. If this is another homologous pair, so it will be different. Here the chromatids, they are of same length. Here they are of different length. The position of centromere, the length of chromatid, the number of genes located on it. Moreover, the characters controlled by it, they will also be similar. Suppose this is a pair which is identical in all the respect, and such pairs are called homologous pair of chromosomes. So in human beings there are 23 pairs of homologous chromosomes. If say this is a homologous pair, here it is a gene which controls the eye color. तो जो इसका homologous है, दूसरा homolog है, वहाँ पर सेम लोकेशन पे जो जीन होगा that will also control the eye color. It means to control the inheritance of each character, we have two genes also, and such a pair of gene which controls inheritance of same character is called allele. Like we have done in class 10th in heredity chapter, this is a pair of gene or a allelic pair which controls which character? Height of the plant. The two chromosomes in the same pair, they can be similar, they can be different. This is homologous allele, this is homologous allele, and if two are different, this is heterologous allele. Now, the chromosomes, they exist in pair. Say we have like this 23 pairs of chromosomes, and any individual is known by a species is known by the number of chromosomes present in the nucleus. Like in chemistry we say we have 118 elements. हम कैसे कहते हैं कि 118 एलिमेंट्स हैं? देखने में तो सारी एक सी लगती हैं. तो इट इज़ द atomic number which decides the nature of the element. Atomic number means number of electrons or the number of protons present in an atom. Say if atomic number is 11, it will be sodium. If atomic number is 12, it is magnesium. It is 13, then it is aluminium, and so on. Similarly, in biology, it is the number of chromosome which decides the nature of the individual, the species of the individual. If the number of chromosome is 46, the species कौन सी है? That is human beings, man. If the number of chromosome is 48, that is 24 pairs of chromosome, then the species is chimpanzee. If the number of chromosome pair is 7 or 14, then it is pea plant. We have read पाइजम स्टाइवम, जो हम मेंडल्स के क्रॉसेस में हमने डिस्कस किया था. इफ द नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम पेयर इज 4, दैट इज 8, देन इट इज ड्रोसोफिलम, अ फ्लाई, फ्रूट फ्लाई. तो एक स्पीशीज में क्रोमोसोम नंबर कांस्टेंट होगा, तभी वो उस स्पीशीज को बिलोंग करेगा. नाउ लेट अस सी द सेल डिवीजन. If a cell has, we will take example of human beings, 46 chromosomes. For growth and repair, the number of cells increases. The size of cell becomes smaller. The cell organelles, they get equally distributed among the daughter cells. Same will be the case of chromosomes. अब क्या होगा? A parent cell, if it divides into 2 daughter cells, तो क्या, इफ़ द नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम चेंजेस, 46 भी डिवाइड हो जाएगा, तो क्या होगा कि क्रोमोसोम नंबर चेंज हो गया तो स्पीशीज ही चेंज हो जाएगी. ड्यूरिंग सेल डिवीजन नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम इज टू बी मेंटेन्ड. कि अगर हमें नॉर्मल सेल्स बनाने हैं बॉडी के, तो क्या होगा कि अगर एक सेल 2 सेल में डिवाइड हो इस तरह से कि जो नए सेल्स बने उनमें भी क्रोमोसोम नंबर सेम रहे, देन दिस टाइप ऑफ सेल डिवीजन इज कॉल्ड माइटोसिस. इफ अ पेरेंट सेल डिवाइड्स इनटू 2 डॉटर सेल्स विद सेम नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम, दिस टाइप ऑफ सेल डिवीजन इज कॉल्ड माइटोसिस.